In the year 2000XX, a super fighting robot named Mega Man has stopped Dr. Wily's evil plans from taking over the world. And now he's taking a break. But there's a new villain in town named Professor Teddy, and it's up to Mega Man to stop him. Follow his journey to an endless adventure of Mega Man Power Plush. Helmet. We're reporting that there's a bunch of robots destroying the city. We need your help, Mega Man. Help!
Seriously, I just want to take a break.
All counting on you, Mega Man.
Well, let's get to work.
Okay, let's start off with this level. Yeah. What's that? Oh no! Take my Mega Buster. Why is this shaking? Is that a hat? Take this again. A lucky day.
Oh yeah, Bobo boy. Oh yeah. Yeah.
What's up?
Oh, you must be Mega Man.
Indeed I am. Now let's fight.
Me first. My name's Lightning Man. What's your problem, man? Do you need a hand? I don't want to see your face again. Yeah.
Oh no, I mean a real fight, a duel.
Sorry, my bad, bro.
Don't worry, because it's all over now. Achha! Let's fight.
Yeah, whatever, bro. Now let's fight, bro!
Battle music. Okay, now let's fight!
Bro, take this! Miss me, bro?
Now eat this again, and I won't miss this time. Got it. One more shot and I will defeat you. Yeah. Finally, I defeated him.
Mega Man. Looks like I need to send more robots to destroy him.
Dad, can I have cookie for dinner?
No, those cookies are mine. Now go away. Time for Plan B.
Dad, who are you talking to?
Shut up! Now go away. Why do you still living with me? Aren't you 18 years old something?
I just born last week. Well, I'll eat cookies.
I get a trophy. Each time I defeat a robot master, I will get a trophy. Oh yeah, I will take this trophy back to my home.